Well, it's been a while since we've done any kind of showcase on our repairs here at the Recon Shop. Today I have a really nice Porsche with a really big dent on the passenger side front fender. We are going to be removing this damage using Paintless Dent Repair. There is some slight paint damage on the buckle sides and a few minor scratches going through there. This is still a really good candidate to keep as original as possible using the Paintless Dent Repair method. We are definitely getting it, and we can see with my light some of the paint damage, because this light is extremely brutal when it comes to paint damage. So we can see the stress cracks up on the top, and let's get this to focus. There we go. We can see those cracks. Super. Yeah. 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 Well, the dent on this Porsche came out fantastic using Paintless Dent Repair. We were able to completely remove this damage on this fender while maintaining the original paint job. If you have damage like this and would like to find out if your damage is a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com and click on appointment request, or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245.